Hello everybody. This is a small Walmart haul. I needed some updating on my spring wardrobe. So I thought, well, I didn't need any new clothes really. I wanted just something to update the clothes that I have already. So I thought a good way to do that would be getting a couple of new jewelry pieces. When I went to Walmart, I really wasn't there to find or look for jewelry, but I decided, well, I'll go over there and look see what they've got. And I came across this statement necklace, and it's got the matching earrings, and it was $9.88, and it had been reduced to clearance to $5. And I just thought it was beautiful. I have a silver tone necklace and earring set, kind of like this, but it's more dainty looking, and it's costume jewelry like this, cheap jewelry. And I found that if you wear it next, say you know, with a turtleneck or a blouse that where it doesn't really touch your skin very much, that it will not turn nearly as quickly. And I had one like that silver one tone I got. I've had it a couple years, and I usually wear it with a turtleneck. 100% cotton though. In the spring we do have some cool weather here sometimes in the spring, and I wear it with a turtleneck sweater or a turtleneck 100% cotton sweater, and it looks great with it, and it hasn't turned. And I believe it's because of it hasn't really touched my skin and had moisture in it. So then after you get through wearing your pieces, if you have time, wipe them down with a little dry cloth to get the moisture off, and that helps them from turning. But I thought this was a great deal, $2.50 a piece, for, $2.50 for the earrings and $2.50 for the necklace. And I thought this would just make my turtleneck that I like to wear in the spring on some cool days, I thought it would just dress it up so much. Okay, and then I kept on looking, and I found this statement necklace. And it's by Time and True. Yeah, I think that's a new brand they have at Walmart. It was $5. And the lighting, excuse me, the lighting is not too good in here today. It is kind of cloudy. I have the window blinds open kindly where it will show this necklace a little bit more. But it's beautiful. It's a kind of a mouthy lavender color, lavender more I would say, and it was $5. And they had the earrings to match, but I thought the earrings this big would really be too much. When I wear a statement necklace like this, or a scarf with my outfits, I really like to have smaller earrings with bigger statement pieces. I don't know if other people are like that or not, but I love this color, and I know from all the things I've read that this color is the color of the year. This lavender color is. It's showing up more mauvey, but it's really more lavender, I believe, I'd say. But anyway, I just thought it was so beautiful. And I'm going to wear this to dress up my spring outfits that I've had, and just update them a little bit. Okay, and then this next piece I found, I really didn't need it, but I thought it was so cute. It's a little Boston Terrier keychain, and it was $3.88, and it was the only one I saw they had. I don't know, I'm sure they had a bunch of others, but that's the only one I saw. They did have a fox, But I just like this little dog. It's also, let me see here. It also has a zipper, and you can keep your money and change in it too. And I thought this would be great, like when I'm just wanting to run in the store just for a few minutes, or go for a walk, and you know, have my keys and clip it to my waistband, belt, or whatever, and maybe have a little bit of change in there. And of course, it couldn't hold my cell phone, but that's okay. I just loved it so much. I thought it was just so cute. Well, I just wanted to show y'all that you can find cute items to update your spring outfits if you don't want to spend much money, or you don't need any spring clothing, or you're just not in the mood for spring clothing but you want to dress it up a little bit with the clothes that you already have. You can you can do it simply by just getting some cheap statement pieces. I mean, I couldn't believe I found these great items here at Walmart. I'm not sponsored by Walmart in any way. We run in there and get a few things from Walmart sometimes, you know, like toothpaste and laundry detergent, stuff like that, because it's cheaper. Soft drinks, it's cheaper than a lot of times the regular grocery store, and I just like to look sometimes at the other stuff that they have. So I just thought I'd share this with everybody. If y'all want cute, cheap price statement jewelry, Walmart has a beautiful, beautiful selection, and very cheap. This was $5 for the earring, you know, and earrings and the necklace, and I keep on babbling. But then you might pick up a piece that you just thought was cute, like I did with this little change purse / keychain. I hope everybody has a blessed week. Everybody, if you will, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And those out there that have subscribed already, thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all so much. Appreciate everyone for watching too. Well, y'all have a blessed day. Bye.